Hello guys, welcome to Noteartener. In this video I'm showing you how you can reset your Instagram Explorer page. So let's get started. But before getting into the video, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how-to tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of our knowledgeful and interesting tech videos like this one. So let's get started. Firstly, what you need to do, you have to firstly open your Instagram app, and then you can go to your explore page by tapping on the search button. Here you can see in the middle of this page, and then you come to this page. So this is your Instagram explore page. So what is the need to why there is a need to reset your Instagram explore page? So your Instagram explore page is basically shown on the basis of what you are interested in, and the Instagram decides your interest on the basis of your search list and the post that you have liked. So how you can reset your Instagram explore page? So firstly, there is the three ways. Firstly, what you need to do, you have to firstly tap on the search button you can see in the top, and here you can see the see all button in the top right corner. Simply tap on this, and here you can see the search history. So here you can see all the peoples that you have searched. So to clear search history, you have to simply tap on the clear all button in the top right corner, and then tap on the clear all. So firstly you have to clear your search history. After clearing your search history, when you refresh that page, then you notice that there is some changes in the your explore page. So the second process, you have to firstly choose whatever post that you are not interested in. So you can choose any of the posts that you are not interested in. Simply open that post and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and then here you can find the not interested button in the bottom. Tap on the not interested, and what it will do, it will and when you refresh your Instagram page, then this type of post will not be seen on your Instagram explore page. So firstly what you need to do, you have to clear your search history. Then you have to select all the posts that you are not interested in, and then you can open that post, and then you can simply tap on the three dots in the bottom, and then you can tap on the not interested. So that's all. And the third process is, you have to simply open your settings of your device. So after opening your settings, you have to simply go to the apps, and then you have to open the manage apps. So when you open the manage apps, here you can search the Instagram app. So here when you search the Instagram app, then open it, and then tap on the storage button. Here you can see, and then tap on the clear data in the most bottom. And here you do not have to clear all data, you have to simply clear the cache. So tap on the clear cache, and then tap on the clear cache OK button. So now you have cleared the Instagram cache. So when you again come to your Instagram explore page, then now you have fully reset your Instagram explore page. So that's how you can fully refresh, and that's how you can fully refresh your Instagram explore page. So I have shown you that three ways by which you can do that. So if you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. So see you next time.